Welcome, everyone. Today we are reviewing the Zemismart Tuya Smart Door Lock. It is the most compact lock in its category, offering 4 ways to unlock, including fingerprint access. The handle automatically disengages after unlocking or locking within 5 seconds. Locking requires your fingerprint or other authentication methods mentioned later. You can also use an access card or the mobile app by long pressing the lock icon. Physical keys are also included as a backup method. In the box, 2 IC cards, 2 keys, an Allen key, and the device itself. Filled with durable aluminum and brass, rated IP53 water resistant, available in black. Powered by a CR123A battery inserted into the external handle. The device features Bluetooth connectivity for local control within range. You can add the lock directly to your phone via Bluetooth without a hub by using the Tuya Smart App. Once found by the app, it's ready for use while within Bluetooth range inside your home. For remote access from outside the house, you'll need both a Bluetooth hub and the lock connected together. Configuration is done through the hub settings. Once joined, you can control the lock from anywhere. Installation is a quick 6-step process: removing the old cylinder and installing the smart lock, the lock doesn't open the door automatically. It only disengages the outer handle from the cylinder. Fingerprints and cards are configured via the app, supporting multiple users for your convenience. The passage mode can be activated via the app, making the handle function like a standard door handle. If someone attempts to tamper with the lock, it will disable for 2 minutes after 6 failed attempts. In case of a dead battery, you can power the lock externally using a power bank via the USB-C port. While the box indicates compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, it didn't work for me during testing. I'll update the description if this changes. Thank you for watching.